Hi, I'm Lauren Brown. Welcome to my channel, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing a special surprise. I got this in for my luxury bedroom minibar and tea station, but I just figured an unboxing would be fun anyway, so enjoy, and after we do the unboxing, I'll tell you what the next steps are. All right, so let's get into the unboxing. I had a wonderful experience looking through and finding the exact right product for my tea station. I wanted something shiny, luxurious, and maybe just a little bit glamorous. Oh, one of them has already fallen out of the wrapping, and you can see it here. It's quite beautiful. All right, I think there's one more thing in here. Let's see. Okay. Is there anything else? Okay. All right, so if you're like me, you love the idea of having tea in the morning, afternoon, evening, whenever, any time of day. I really was looking for something that would add beauty to my mini bar and tea space, and I really felt that some silver pieces would do the job. So we're going to unbox these. I'm sure you can see little bits of it. We're going to unbox these, or unravel at this point, these, and then we'll talk about the polishing process, and I will show you the final result. All right, let's go. I'm really excited. This looks great. Hold on, let me get some scissors. Okay. Scissors. Perfect. The thing with getting any kind of tea set, or whether it be ceramic or silver, it doesn't have to be the most expensive. Yes, you can go to Neiman Marcus, or, oh, this is so cool. I think this is the sugar bowl. And this is the creamer. You have a little spout there. Yeah, you don't need to necessarily go to Bloomingdale's or Saks or something like that, although that is lovely, and if you can, you absolutely should. Why not? But there's also just the experience of going and looking online, finding things secondhand, or going to estate sales. You know, there's just so much in the world of tea sets and silver plated and solid silver that you really, there's something for almost every bracket. Of course, you might have to save up, but worth it. Worth it for the beauty, if that's the kind of thing you enjoy. Okay, let's get this tape here. This is giving me kettle vibes. What I like and what I'm seeing is that all of the lining is pretty good. Everything seems to have been well maintained. This was not used and abused. It was probably held for display. Okay, I think we have it. Yeah, I can see myself. Woo! I don't know if the camera, you can see yourself. Let's see. So, this is, yeah, the interiors are pristine, more or less, and then they have a little strainer on the inside, so I guess if you have any loose leaf teas, I mean, we have to look and see kind of in here what the level of maintenance is, but it's pretty darn excellent. Okay. And honestly, the part that I've been the most excited for is this, the tray and what it comes on. Okay. It has a nice weight. Everything here feels so good. Heavy. Okay. If I can find a similar set, I will try to link it below. Not quite. Very well wrapped. Oh, I didn't realize the detail. the design detail on the inside. I feel like I'm holding a Wimbledon trophy. This is so beautiful. Oh wow. Yeah. I don't want to blind you. I'm trying not to blind you. Maybe if I tilt down. But we'll do some pickups on this set at the end. So you'll get to really see it and see what it all looks like. But this is gorgeous. This is about the size of a really large, let me see. This and then my forearm are about the same length. And I'm 5'8", so this is really cool. The back is just plain Silverco. Trademark 1883. This is beautiful. So now that we have unboxed all of these items, we are going to now go to polishing. So these are the items that we are polishing today. We have the creamer, the sugar bowl, the tea kettle, as well as the platter. And to do this, I have employed the handy dandy Tarn-x. This is a tarnish remover, and it works for removing tarnish on sterling silver, silver plate, platinum, copper, gold, diamonds. Wipe, rinse, and done. So that's a really, really great thing. We're going to also use extra large cleaning cloths, lint, scratch, and streak free. There's about 12 in this pack. I purchased this from Lowe's. I'm sure you can find these on other retailers, or just use an old cloth that you have that isn't particularly full of lint. But yes, we're going to use this. We're going to use the Tarn-x, and we are going to go to town on these pieces, and hopefully when we're done it is really beautiful. So I'm going to get started, and then I will do a quick cut because I don't think you need to see the whole enchilada. Alright, simple clean cloth, and we're going to start first not with the platter, although that might be the most satisfying. We're going to take our creamer and we're going to open our Tarn-x. Just gonna shake. So now I'm just going to fold this up. I like to fold things, just makes it a little bit easier. I'm gonna just wrap it around my hand, my 4 fingers like this. Hold it with my thumb, just wrap it around. And then take the Tarn-x. Whoop. I don't really mind that we spilled because we're probably going to dab this up and use it anyway. So there we go. So here you can see the piece. It's a bit crappy, and the underside's got a little bit of some blackening going on there, some tarnish. But it's really beautiful. This is a silver plate piece, so I'm not going to expect absolute silver perfection. I'm just going to go for as best I can. Open a window when you're using this because the smell is quite uniquely metallic. It is certainly something to behold. Let me recover this so that you don't risk a spill. Party foul. We already had one. Let's not have another. That's some of the tarnishing. More a little less. All right. I'm not going to go too hard on this. Yeah. The directions on this are as follows. Wear household gloves. Clean object first by washing in warm, soapy water and drying thoroughly. Well, you know what we forgot to do? was wash this before we polished. But the good thing is we started with one object, the most simple object, and also the moral of this story is read your directions. Okay, dip cotton ball or soft cloth in Tarn-x and wipe on tarnished areas. Rinse thoroughly under cold water and wipe dry. For large items, apply Tarn-x to about 1/3 of article at a time, then rinse thoroughly. Do not soak any object in Tarn-x for over 2 minutes. For heavily tarnished pieces, repeat above process until all tarnish is dissolved. Always use full strength. Alright, don't dilute this baby, that's what it's talking about. Okay, yeah. So we're going to still wash this. Next would be to rinse this off and see what we get. Alright. There you have it, my silver tea set for my luxury minibar and tea station. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. Thank you for watching, and if you liked this video, please be sure to press the like button as well as share. They're free ways to really help the channel and they go a long way. Also, don't forget to press the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when we have our next unboxing and luxury extravaganza. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching this. I am Lauren Brown telling you I will see you in the next one.